Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing an unboxing of a belt that I've been looking for, and I found it on tjmax.com, and it is a Moschino. So this is not quite exactly the one that I wanted, but I saw this for a great price, and I thought I just should go for it. It comes in this cute little dust bag, this Moschino dust bag. And I've been wanting a designer belt for some time now, and I just really don't want to pay the exorbitant pricing. So it also came with a Moschino certificate of authenticity card, which is awesome. And also in here, I think it's a Moschino care card. Okay, so this is what I bought. It comes wrapped, and let me show you what I bought. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. I bought this. It's the skinny belt. I think it's like half or 3/4 of an inch in diameter here. I think it's 3/4 of an inch. I gotta double check, but it says Moschino in silver, and it has this on the O. It has the belt buckle part, and the belt is black. I believe is calfskin leather, and on the back of the inside of the belt it says Moschino, Milano, and genuine leather made in Italy. And this one has 5 holes that's adjustable, and then there's a tag on here as well, so super cute. I'm super excited to wear this. Here, you can put this. So how you buckle it is you just push in to the hole there. Yeah, super cute. I got this for a great deal. This was 50% off, so this belt is originally $250, and I got this for $125 plus tax. So such a great deal. I eventually want to get this in gold lettering as well. And I love the larger belt, so when I source out a larger belt, I would like to get the larger belt, but I think this one is so cute. It'll look so great with a pair of jeans or slacks, or with a dress. I think it'll be super, super cute. Thank you for watching this video. If you like videos like this, subscribe to my channel, hit the subscribe button down below, or you can also follow me on Instagram at Designer Haul, where I post a ton of other photos and finds that I have on like all different sites and stuff. See you next time. Bye.